Good morning, everybody. I'm going to make this quick because I'm late for duty. Okay, we're going to work today. I can multiply and divide numbers written in scientific notation. Okay, the good thing about this is that you already have the foundation for this because all you're using is property of exponent rules. Okay, what I mean by that is when you have 4x to the 10th times 3x to the 4th, most of you already remember. These are the coefficients, 4 and 3. You have to multiply those, that gives me 12, and you have to add these, which gives me 14, okay? Oh, it's not times 10, my bad. It's just 12x to the 14th, okay? Multiply the coefficients, add the exponents. You already know how to do this. Same thing with division. You already know that 27x to the 5th divided by 9x to the 2nd. You would divide the coefficients, which is 27 divided by 9, and get 3. Keep my base, subtract my exponents. 5 minus 2 is 3, okay? This is review. You already know how to do this. This is the same concept when you're using scientific notation. So, if I have 3 times 10 to the 4th times 2 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, my coefficients are 3 and 2. I'm going to multiply them. 3 times 2 is 6 times, keep my base, add my exponents. 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 times 10 to the 9th. Multiply the coefficients, add the exponents. Okay, it's really that simple. If you get a division problem, say you have 32 times 10 to the 4th divided by 8 times 10 to the 2nd. Divide the coefficients. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, so it'd be times 10 to the 2nd. Okay? Sometimes they're that simple. The only two things I think that will confuse you. One, when you have decimals. So you'll multiply and it'll be like 3.2 times 10 to the 4th times 2.1 times 10 to the 3rd. The good thing is you know no matter what, these exponents are going to get added together. So you know you're going to have 10 to the 7th because 4 plus 3 is 7. Then all you have to do is 3.2 times 2.1, which is 6.72. That's it. 6.72 times 10 to the 7th. Okay? On the flip side of that, if you have, let's see. Let's say you have 3.5 times 10 to the 8th divided by 2.1 times 10 to the 6th. You're going to do 3.5 divided. Okay, again, you know, first thing you're going to do is subtract the exponents. That's going to give me 10 to the 2nd. 8 minus 6 is 2. And then you're going to do 3.5 divided by 2.1. Which gives you, you'll have to round this, but it gives you 1.67 times 10 to the 2nd. And that's it. Divide the coefficients, subtract the exponents, okay? There are going to be some situations where you would have like 4 times 10 to the 7th times 3 times 10 to the 4th. Multiply the coefficients. 4 times 3 gives me 12. 7 plus 4 gives me 11. Those of you, there should be kind of a bell going off in your brain that this is not scientific notation because 12 is bigger than 10. You would just have to fix it, okay? In the last video we watched, I told you that when your decimal point, when this is bigger than 10, if you move it one place to the left, so I move it over 1, you add 1 to your exponent. So now I've got 1.2 times 10 to the 12th. Very good. Happy solving.